raspberries. I have a huge raspberry patch. I started this patch probably about probably close to 20 years ago with 5 plants.
Wow.
I've never added any more, but I also don't restrain my raspberries. So, you know, I mean, at this point, this is a pretty giant
raspberry
patch of
forest, I know.
raspberries. It's a mix of everbearing and June-bearing. During that sort of 4th of July, early July, we're harvesting gallons at a time. Gallons.
Wow. Wow.
There are so many raspberries in this little patch. I call it the most sincere raspberry patch in the world. And then I'll whack back the canes so that the everbearings can emerge in the, you know, usually those start late August. And they trickle, so we have enough for, you know, cereal or smoothies or just a minor amount. The June-bearing is when we get to make jam, pies, or all the just reckless abandon of eating like a whole pint by yourself. But I love this because I really hardly do anything. The biggest thing is picking and cutting the canes. The patch does keep growing. Like, I kind of have to keep it from getting into the garden.
Right.
But otherwise, like, I don't really fertilize.
I like that thinking.
There's a fair amount of irrigation, drip irrigation. I water it three or so times a week pretty deeply. But otherwise, that's really it. So it's a pretty low maintenance, perennial, edible crop. It's a joyful thing to have in your yard.
Well, they're beautiful. It's magical.
It's pretty awesome. I know, it's pretty great.